born to be free. Good morning, everybody. Happy, what day is it? Wednesday? I don't know, man. I just work here, guys. Bitcoin is $60,000. I can't believe it, man. This move is absolutely insane. And to whoever who was long, congratulations. To whoever who was short, I'm so sorry. And to whoever are holding their spot position with those diamond hands, man, congratulations, guys. Bitcoin is doing the unbelievable today. And not just today, man. For the past few weeks, few months, but specifically the past 3 days, man, have been absolutely insane. First of all, I want to say good morning to everybody here. Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon Shouts out to Tommy Luck. Shouts out to Alpha Farmer. Shouts out to Nonstop Ty. Shouts out to Rehards. Shouts out to Josh Millie. Shouts out to Bouts. Shouts out to Arctic Fox. Bitcoin is about to take the high again, guys. We're going to get right into it. Shouts out to Dice. Shouts out to AA Ron. Shouts out to Rendell. Guys, oh, baby, man. Bitcoin is crazy. Shouts out Bout is sitting on $350 profit. Spotters unite. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin. Oh, baby. Bitcoin is up there, man. Bitcoin is up there. Kenny, what's up? Good morning. When Pickle Costume. Pickle Costume is coming, guys. Listen, before we start, give me the emojis, guys. How's the sound check? And also, before we start, the setup is a little bit different today. You can see that you guys are over there. Or rather, I'm this way as opposed to straight on. Tomorrow, we're going to have a much better camera angle for you guys. I'm in the process of changing things around, all right? So I apologize for that. It looks a little bit like trash. But hey, that's the name of the game. This is what we're here for. Guys, Bitcoin is about to take the high again, okay? So the question really is, how high can this thing go? And yo, like, how sustainable is this? This is insanity. Okay, I think we can all mutually agree that this is insanity. I think we can all mutually agree that, yo, maybe this, like, bro, look at this candle. Look at this candle. And let me tell you the crazy thing about what's happening right now. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of crazy about what's happening right now, okay? It's not anything, not any one thing. But Bitcoin is just ripping through every major macro resistance non-stop, okay? Non-stop up. I mean, guys, let's even turn the indicators off for a second. Forget the vector candles and all that, okay? Let's turn off everything here. You can see, like, the past 3 days alone, Bitcoin is up 21% in 3 days. Okay? 3 days, Bitcoin is up. I'm gonna say that again. 21% in 3 days, all right? Now, again, yesterday I came out and said, guys, I was wrong. Look, things were looking pretty bearish. And listen, I'm not gonna sit here and say I wasn't wrong. I owned up to it yesterday, but I'm gonna sit here and say that the TA hasn't really been TAing. And you can see that. You can see that when we just rip through. I mean, yeah, we had a little bit of resistance in this macro zone, fine. But when we just absolutely, I don't know if this is the right word, but I'm going to say it, ergonomically rip through all these macro levels with no looking back. And we're just extremely, like, guys, this right now, I'm sorry to say, is blow off top behavior. You know, maybe this guy wasn't so much. Maybe, I mean, this could have been potentially. This is, and I think nobody would disagree with it. This is definitely blow off top behavior. Now, the question is, are we close to the high? How high could we go realistically? Can we see all-time highs? Are we in a bull market? I mean, these questions are all, I would say, no longer up for debate. Okay, I think before the Bears had a case in that it might not be a bull market. Okay, it might not be a bull market, and I was very much so in that camp. And now, after what I'm seeing, I gotta rethink some things, okay? That doesn't mean YOLO long right now. That doesn't mean YOLO short right now. That just means that, you know, perhaps it's time. I mean, I play both sides of every market anyways. But perhaps we are getting pretty close here. At least locally. Okay, I don't mean throughout the whole cycle. I don't mean we're going back to 20K. You know, my prediction of where the low would be after we put in this high was 24418. I don't know if we're going to go down to 24 anymore. I'll tell you that. But nonetheless, guys, it cannot go up forever. And as it's seemingly been doing, going up forever. If we come on the weekly time frame and we come to a clean chart, we hide all the TA, you can see very clearly that we've had basically non-stop up since for the past almost half a year. Okay, about half a year. Geo plays both sides. Geo turning bull time this short. Hey, listen, I'm not turning bull, but I'm just saying maybe like I can't say that. Okay, how do I say this? I was saying, I don't think we're in a bull market. I don't think we're in a bull market. And now I'm going to say, I don't know if we're in a bull market. Like, it's starting to look a lot more towards it, right? And if we are in a bull market, which it's very much so seemingly like we are now, then how far down can we really retrace, right? Like, remember, before I was saying, oh, it could be a bear market halving. I was potentially saying coming back down to 24K. But now if it's going to be a bull market, do I really expect to come back that low? I don't know. Probably not. I would say probably a good place to gig along would be 30K, but that's 50% away. But hey, we know that in the healthiest bull market, Bitcoin still dumps 50%, right? So we need to understand BTC is higher than Snoop Dogg. It is higher than Snoop Dogg. It is. It definitely is. But I mean, listen, the truth is about this move, at least in my perspective, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. We got a lot of mixed signals, right? We got a lot of holders saying bear market's over, Bitcoin's going to all-time highs, whatever. Look, there is no denying that this looks overextended, whether you like it or not. It looks madness, okay? And so if we are going to continue this move to the upside, in my opinion, we do need to have somewhat of a healthy move to the downside. Okay, we do need to have somewhat of a retracement, and we're going to be looking at where those retracements may come in. Okay, where they may come in. What is a bull market? Alex, a bull market is where people can long infinitely with zero repercussions, and that's basically what people have been doing. The only difference where I'm saying now, no, I know, bro. The only difference in what I'm saying now is down here, like, we didn't know. You know, we did not know down here that this was going to happen. And so now it looks a lot more like a bull market than it did over here, right? So we have to adjust what we trade based on what we see. I don't trade based on the thumbnails or based on the sentiment or whatever the case is. But when we have price action like this, hell yeah, that now is really starting to look like a bull market. Around here, where we could have rejected, and in my opinion, I wanted to see us come a little bit lower when we came down and took 38K. I wanted us to come down to like 35 or 30K. Up until this recent 3 days, I would say that this being a bear market rally was still in the cards, right? Everybody and their mother is screaming bull market, bull market. This time is different, this time is different. But they say that every time. And then every time, every cycle, they get humbled real quick. And so my reasoning, my rationale behind being a little bit more cautious in this area was every single time for 4 years, the cycle has been respected. And so to me, it was so wild that everybody and their mother was bullish when it seemingly made way more sense to be a little bit more cautious in this area, right? Based on the way market Cipher was looking, based on the way that the cycle, the 12-year cyclical movement of Bitcoin has not been broken until now. Okay, today the cycle is broken, guys. I mean, every year, or every cycle rather, we retrace from our golden pocket. We retrace from these levels, and every year, or every cycle rather, we have a bear market rally. Where is that here? So it's a little bit wild to me. It's a little bit concerning to me, I should say, as well, that everybody was as bullish as they were when the technicals pointed down. However, I will say this. The past 6 months, 5 months, you guys know, have been driven by the sentiment, okay? It's all ETF based. And that's not to say that technical analysis doesn't work. You know, we long and short every range that we're presented. It just so happens that as of late, the ranges don't last very long. And when they do, they just pop off real quick. So yesterday we pumped, 10% or 8% or whatever it was. Did I expect another 10 or 8% today or whatever it is? No, I didn't. But that's the name of the game, guys, and this is what we do. So we're going to talk about where we could head to and why we're getting a little bit of a rejection here at 61.4, okay? So I'm going to come back to my real chart. I'm going to come back to the chart here. Yeah, exactly. Shouts out to Alpha Farmer. We blew the 786, right? We blew it. Like, I would say bull market now. I'm way more leaning towards that it's a bull market, obviously. But now the question remains, how high can it go before we get our decent pullback? because we all know that even in the healthiest bull markets, we do have a 40% correction, a 50% correction. Look here in 2021, healthiest bull market, you get your corrections still. From the high to the low here, 55%. You still get them. Right here, 30%. So, are we going to go straight down? Maybe not, but we'll see. We will see. All right. So, let's talk about where we are now, okay? Obviously, look at this. Very important order block flip zone. We had a little bit of a rejection from here yesterday. A little bit, okay? And then, boom, off and away we go. Absolutely ripped it. Bitcoin said, don't care about your important flip zone. See you later, okay? So we're going to erase some of our order blocks here. These were massive resistances, right? We were looking to trade these zones. That trade obviously didn't hit, unfortunately. But we trade every single zone. So we're not going to talk about the lows because the lows are so far away right now. And we are rocket shipping away. And so we got to talk about what's potentially above us, all right? Now, in my VIP section, I gave a couple of zones for in advance for where I was looking at resistance, okay? And this one, I had another one here, full disclosure. I believe I already deleted it. But I had another one here, right, around this very important. We did get somewhat of a rejection. We did get a couple trades yesterday. Nothing crazy, but we got a couple trades yesterday before ultimately blowing right through this bitch, okay? Hold on. Let me make sure that you guys can see the screen well. Sorry, guys. The whole setup is going to look and feel a lot better for you tomorrow. Jess says, yo, it was crazy, man. It was this price action, is crazy. The only difference is I don't sit here and tell you I knew or I didn't know because nobody knew. And they say it's different every time, you know? So shouts out to Isaac. They say it's different every time. Man, it's 20 degrees and you're streaming like you're in Hawaii. Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. All right, listen. So where are we now? Okay. So I posted this in advance. Why was I interested in this level? Well, we had a daily SFP zone up here. Okay. I was talking about being careful here because this is easy liquidity. And I gave this all in my VIP Discord. And so this was a very important high, which we are currently above. Okay. Crazy. Crazy. What is this 50% DVC? If you come to Traders Reality Main and we find where our vector candles are, this is the 50% mark. So at this level, at 61.7 is where, give or take, 50% of this vector, it should actually be a little bit higher, 50% of this vector candle from the low of the close to the high will be recovered. So this is as good as a place as any to potentially look for swing shorts, or not swing shorts, but a scalp zone. We might get a scalp off of it. But most importantly, guys, we are approaching a weekly order block, okay? Now, we've been talking about this weekly order block for quite some time. I absolutely did not think that we were going to get up here this quick, and I don't think anyone did. And I think that if anybody said that they did, you're lying, okay? I don't, in the slightest, believe that anybody actually expected to come this high, this quick. Because if it did, let's be real, you would have longed your houses and your mothers, and you didn't do that, okay? So, where are we talking to now? We're going to hide. We're going to hide the key zones because it's not important. We know we're above this daily SFP. We know we're approaching the daily vector candle, okay? And we know we're at a weekly order block. I don't think that we're going to take the all-time high in this move to the upside, okay? I don't see it. I don't see it happening. Potentially it could. I also didn't think that we were going to come up here as fast as we did. However, I don't think we're going to come and break the all-time high on this move to the upside. You can see that we're very overextended. You can see that on the next dot on market Cipher B, on the next red dot, not only are we going to have a spike wave, but we are going to have a super spike wave. Okay? A super spike wave. So Candles Don't Lie agrees with me, and hey, he doesn't lie, and the candles don't lie. So we need to keep in mind the narrative. We need to keep in mind that there are a lot of people longing. We need to keep in mind that we got these green vector candles, that this could be our third push up. Okay, if you're counting your pushes here, we could have had 1, 2, 3 pushes to the high. Okay, 3 hits to the high. If you know how vector candles work, that's how they work. 3 hits to the high while approaching this weekly order block zone. So I don't think we have enough juice, in my opinion. I don't think we have enough gas to take out the all-time high right now. Do I think that in 2024, we're going to take out the all-time high? Definitely. At this point, definitely. I definitely believe that. Do I think that it could come a little bit later in the year, perhaps the second half of the year, or like September-ish? Yes, I do think it could happen a little bit later. I don't think it's going to happen now. And the reason I'm saying it might happen a little bit later and it might take a few months is because we know how Bitcoin moves. The faster it goes up, it comes down just as fast. Okay, and vice versa. The faster things go down, it comes up just as fast. So when we are going to eventually get our pullback, because nothing goes up forever, guys. Eventually, we will get our pullback. And when that happens, I don't think we're going to just pop back up right away. I think we're going to need to take some time to consolidate at the lows as opposed to consolidating up here. How low can that be? At this point, guys, you would be foolish to say anything lower, at least based on the daily time frame, than this area here at 50K. Okay? Perhaps we come here, perhaps we wick these lows and tap into this order block, and from this point, we hit here and we shoot up to all-time highs. Potentially. I don't know. It is too early to say so. However, things have changed, guys, and I truly believe that this time things are different. Things are different. All right. Alpha says all-time high is gone. Okay. Umit says, nah, bro, we're breaking all-time high before the halving. So this is interesting. Okay, this is interesting. I disagree with this only because of what I just said. I don't think we have enough gas to continue up right now. Anyways, maybe, look, maybe you're right. I don't know. Maybe we consolidate up here. You know, who knows? However, I think a lot of people will sell before 69K. I really think a lot of people will sell before 69K. I don't think it's going to be easy to break it. I do think we can make our way up to like 65K and then consolidate around here. But I don't think it's going to be easy to break 69K. I really, really don't. And the only other thing that I need to say in regards to sentiment before we like dive in and start scalping this new range is on... Okay, the cycle is broken. Okay, the cycle is broken. And historically, the Bitcoin halving has been a bullish thing in the cycles. Okay, it's been bullish. And there's no question about it. However, now that the cycle is broken, who's to say that the halving is going to be bullish? I don't know when the halving is. It's like April or May or something. Usually, the thing is sell in May, walk away. And usually that's been pretty good. May has not been a good month historically with Bitcoin. And I'm just worried that we're pumping too fast, too high. Too many people are greedy AF. Too many people are long in the farm right now. Too many people are thinking that they know what they're doing. And so, and like with the anticipation of, oh, the halving. And perhaps the halving is not going to be so bullish after all. I'm not saying it is. I'm not saying it's not. But I'm saying in terms of price action, what if we just keep pumping for the next couple months, which is possible. I mentioned it to my VIP members yesterday. And then what if at the halving we actually, that's when we dump. All right, we need to keep this in mind. All right. These ETFs, though, are absolutely crazy. If we don't break all-time highs before the end of this, then trust me, by midweek, we're breaking because the ETF inflows are crazy. The ETF inflows are absolutely insane. You are not lying about that. They are like, the whole BlackRock thing is crazy. And the fact that nobody's selling and the fact that there isn't enough supply of Bitcoin and the fact that on top of the no supply of Bitcoin, it's going to get halved. So it's going to get even worse. It's crazy, guys. And look, I mean, you could see it, right? You can see it. If we're going to be objective here, which as a trader, you need to be objective. If we're going to be objective, you can see that every single dip gets bought up so freaking fast. So freaking fast. And so, hey, we'll see. We'll see. Senior Green says, bro, you have 200 mil of daily inflows into BTC ETFs. These are old farts who put money for a while. New all-time highs this month. You know what, man? Maybe. By this month, I'm assuming you mean March. Maybe. I don't see it. I don't see it. And fine. That's a fair case to make. You know, a fair point. But I want to bring your attention to this real quick. And I've talked about this before. And this still has a chance of diverging. Of breaking the divergence. But look at the price action, the movement that we've had back in the bull market compared to now. Like, we are absolutely diverging with volume significantly over time. Okay? Significantly over time, we are diverging. So, is there really that much money flowing into Bitcoin? And if so, why is it not reflected? And you go to any chart and you'll see it. Right? This is the same across the board. Same across the board. So, look, there's a bunch. There's a bunch that we don't know. But time will tell. Guys, time will soon tell us what's going on here. All right, we just took the high again. Let's dive in. Enough blabber about macro stuff, and let's figure out what's going on locally. So we're coming up and we're approaching this daily vector candle right now. The 50% mark on the daily vector candle. We still got thick money flow on market Cipher B, as we know. Man, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. This could have been your one tap, sorry. This cluster could have been your 2 tap, and our 3 tap could, maybe when we get up here into this weekly order block. So let's see what's gonna go on. I'm gonna see if I can get a nice quick scalp here, because that's what I do. But I gotta see what I want to see. And we got a lot of longs, man. A lot of longs coming in. This is insane, guys. Like, I am so surprised. I am so shocked that this is happening. Truly. Like, this is crazy. And I don't think anybody could have predicted this. Not to this extent. And if you did, I call BS. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Guys, how's everybody doing today? How many people do we have in here today? My setup is a little bit weird. It's a little bit different. Bull CVD played out. Yeah, man, we've been having bullish CVD this whole way up. Guys, this whole way up, and it's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. It is pretty wild. How many people do we got in here? Let me take a look. We got 2 guys. We have 200 people in here. All right. We got 200 people in here. And we have only 40 likes. Every 100 likes on stream, I give away boot camps that are each 3.5 hours long. They're premium content, which teaches you guys how to trade, teaches you guys how to find ranges, how to look at vector candles, how to approach the market maker or how to approach the charts in a market maker perspective. Okay, so every 100 likes, I give one of these away. Don't take my word for it. Head over to the Discord, and they will tell you the value that you get there. Let's get the like buttons up, guys, because every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. All right, let's see what's going on here. I want to see if we can come up and touch that 50% daily vector candle. Who knows, man? I think that the high is near in terms of time. Like, perhaps like the daily high, I mean. Look at this money flow, though. This is just disgusting. I would be surprised if we don't come up and tap into this weekly order block. This is insanity. Shouts out to JB. I didn't predict this, but you have been bullish. Hey, and that's completely okay, you know. That is completely okay. This is crazy. Real FOMO begins when we break all-time highs. Potentially, man. Potentially. Bears in disbelief. It's a phase. Also, maybe. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, can I tell you something about my order block indicator? Yeah, I don't know when it'll be out yet. And I don't know how I'm going to go about doing it yet. All right, Senor Green says, I don't believe this 60K price is here through high leverage at like 2021 in retail. This is old money pumping. Oh, I agree with that. Retail is not in yet. I agree. And I will tell you this. Alts haven't even begun yet, guys. So I know retail is not even here because alts haven't even started yet. Alts have not even started yet. So, you know, I need to now really evaluate my altcoin plan because we know that alts are going to pump. We know that alts are going to do, like right now, it's just it's Bitcoin's turn. Okay. Bitcoin is just doing what Bitcoin is going to do. But yeah, I mean, alts is where we're going to really make some money. So we got to now that Bitcoin is doing what it's doing right now, we got to be paying attention to what or where, when we can hammer on some of these alts. And that's what really we're going to be focusing on in the coming months here, is the altcoins. And I'll go over 50 altcoins if I need to for my VIP members and on the live streams here. I have no problem doing that. All right, so right now locally, let's come on the one. Let's see what we got going on the one. Let's pull up our CVD here. So let's zoom out a little bit. Zoom out a little bit. We got, oh baby, man, this is crazy. Like these moves are just crazy. I have nothing else to say, but these is absolutely insane. And it's, again, it's not even so much that we're pumping this much that's crazy, which, don't get me wrong, that is a big part of why things are crazy. But it's the fact that, like, historically we've had pumps this big, right? We've had daily candles that have done this, but then the next day or the next couple days or the next week we get somewhat of a retracement, right? We get something. However, right now, man, we're not getting anything. We are not getting anything at all, and it's pretty wild, like, how quickly these dips are getting bought up. Joe, what are my thoughts on altcoin season before the Bitcoin pullback? I mean, listen, alts look like they're moving, and as long as Bitcoin consolidates and doesn't dump, which Bitcoin has not been dumping, then, you know, perhaps we might see an altcoin season. And so starting today, we are going to focus on altcoins. We're absolutely going to, because those who missed the ride on Bitcoin definitely didn't miss the ride on altcoins. We haven't even started yet, guys. You know, haven't even started yet. Senor Green, I love you too, my friend. And VIP Discord, OB Bootcamp. Yeah, man, the Order Block Bootcamp is fire. Will I ever bring back free VIP? No, I will never. And I'll tell you why. Because the people that are in there actually want to learn. And I take pride in the network that I have built. I take pride in being a good person and representing being good and not being condescending. And when I open it up to the public, people take advantage of that. And that's the truth. That is the unfortunate truth. Right now, I am so happy with the way VIP is, and I'm also happy with the size of VIP. I worry that as it gets bigger, you know, I'm not going to be able to talk to everybody as much as I do. I'm in there, guys. I'm in the trenches with you. And I really like where we're at right now with the VIP. So no, I don't think I'll ever make it pay to free again, because people took advantage of it. That's honestly the truth of it. And if you're an asshole, like, the VIP, whether you pay or not, is a privilege. Like, I'll give you your money back, but if you're an asshole, you're out. I must preserve the positive mentality. I must. Crypto is not like that. I'm doing something different here. All right. But what if in this cycle we don't get a rotation of money because this Bitcoin pump is mainly from the ETF and these guys won't sell anytime soon? Maybe, man. Maybe. Potentially. I might cap the VIP. I might. I don't know yet. All right, guys. Let me hit you with a disclaimer. Thank you for the reminder. Disclaimer! All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Joe's an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And Jason Casper, shout out Jay, is the CEO of Treadmills. And guys, if you don't know, I pay Jason royalties every single step I take on the treadmill. That's why I'm not on the treadmill right now, because I need to, I saved my money and I put it in Bitcoin. All right. How are we doing? Mama told me, what you like, hey. What is this? Guys, how are we feeling today? Are we in a good mood today or what? What's going on today? Tell me about you. How are you? How's life? Are we good? Are we happy? Are we chilling? Are we grooving? Let's check the 5-second. What's going on here at these highs? I mean, man, money flow is diverging. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a little bit. We're at the 50% line. Let's see if we get a little bit of a move to the downside here. Time will tell. We got to wait and see. Okay. But yeah, Jet, bro, I might eventually cap VIP. I don't know. We'll see. I'll check your alts here in a few minutes, guys. I gotta do right now Bitcoin is the show. We gotta focus on BTC right now real quick and see what's going on here. I want to see if we can make it up to this weekly order block. That would be insane. Oh, man, that would be so crazy. That would be nuts. Like, I would be so shocked. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked, but that would be crazy. That would be super, super nuts here. Let's see what's going on. Let's check. Okay, we do have bearish CVD at these highs. We do have that. This is insanity. This is so crazy. Bitcoin doesn't care about your bearish divergences on anything. This is crazy. All right, the 50% line we don't need anymore. Let's see if we can come up and tap this weekly order block, man. This is crazy. This is so nuts. My computer's like lagging. My MEXC is like tweaking right now. Absolutely tweaking. This may be a stupid question, but if everyone gets good at trading, will the charts move differently? No, I don't think so. It's all market makers, man. And nobody, like, there's no way everyone's gonna get good at trading. Channels don't lie. Whatever happened to that super analytical trader Alpha Spark? Alpha Spark went and created his own channel, created his own community. So we wished him well, and you know, he went and did his own thing, and I'm sure he's doing amazing. So shouts out to Alpha Spark. He's a good dude. In a great mood. In a great mood. Gio, last week I did altcoin analysis and said to remind you in order to follow up, and Theta took off. What's the thing for Theta? What was the ticker that I did? MEXC? Was it MEXC? Yeah, this is nuts, bro. Everything, honestly, everything just took off. Literally everything pumped. Everything. I don't remember which one I did the analysis on, but crazy, man. Imagine we break all-time high on this stream. That would be absolutely crazy, man. That would be nuts. That'd be good for clicks. That'd be good for my decent profits. Could have been much better. Hey, man, profits are profits. Jim later, looking forward to hitting the bench. Yes, sir. Yo, Igor, bro, listen. You, like, I don't even know, 2 months ago, a month ago, a month and a half ago, we're like, yo, Gio, you're looking a little bit deflated. You're looking a bit deflated here. And yo, I'm not deflated anymore. I'm not deflated anymore, bro. All right, man. Listen, we're coming up, guys. This is crazy. This is insanity. We are about to tap this weekly order block right now. This is insane. Shouts out to everybody that's long right now. I hope you take at least some profits here at 62K, man. I hope you take something off the table. This is nuts. This is so crazy. I don't even know what to say, man. I'm at a loss for words. Honestly, like, I was debating not even streaming because I'm just like, yo, this is crazy. Like, I have nothing else to say besides this is crazy. When am I at a loss for words? This is so freaking wild, man. I can't even believe my eyes. This is insanity. Insanity. Scalping the one time. Yeah, man. Seriously. Bullish on how many times I can say this is crazy. I'm telling you, I got nothing else to say. Dice, don't worry, my brother. As traders, there's no such thing as FOMO, man. Actually, I want to bring your attention to something real quick. I think I posted it on Twitter. I want to bring your attention, guys, just in case you are... just in case you're feeling some FOMO here, okay? I want to just remind you, listen, we trade, man. We scalp every range. So the price doesn't matter, right? The price literally doesn't matter. We trade it range by range. No matter what the numbers on the side here are showing you, you're going to trade it the same. So I want to just encourage you to please don't FOMO, guys. It's not worth it. Don't long. You might get caught longing the top. Maybe if you long here, we go to 100K, maybe. But maybe you long here and we go to 30K. Who knows, right? So just remember that as traders, there's no reason to FOMO. There's no reason because it doesn't matter. We're just gonna trade the next range and then the range after that. Really doesn't matter. And so I want to just bring this to your attention here. You know, people right now are excited. Crypto Twitter is excited. The chat is excited. Everybody's excited because the people that don't know how to make money are making money. But if you know how to make money, you can trade any range all day, all the time, everywhere, always. Okay? So just be mindful, not be mindful, but just know that, okay? Like, don't feel the FOMO. Don't think you're missing out because we can make money both ways, my friends. There are a lot of orders starting at 61.9. Yeah, this is nutty though. This is crazy. This is so nutty. Hit 50% vector. Yeah, it actually broke a little bit more. Where's the high of that vector? Let's actually find the high of it. I actually imagine that we're gonna touch the high of it. That would be a good place to look for. This is the vector, right? Yeah, this is the high of the vector. So we're gonna make this pink. And we're gonna write DVC high. Let's see if we get a nice rejection straight from 63.6. That's crazy, guys. This is so crazy. This is so wild. Yeah, open interest is increasing over time. Longs are opening, guys. I mean, you can't even say that this is a weak move. It's not that weak of a move. Like, this last leg up is strong. This is so wild. Jabs is chilling right now. Guys, make sure to smash the like button if you haven't done so already. I am holding spot. Yes, I am. I am holding spot. Let's see if we can come and tap. Oh, good. This is so wild. This is crazy. This is insane. I'm never gonna not say it. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the markets move the way that it does. I promise you this. I am not usually at a loss for words like I am right now, but this is absolute madness what's going on right now. Usually I'm in here, we're trading the ranges, we're drawing our fibs, we're finding our order blocks. We're talking about market cipher, but man, these past couple days feels bad for the people shorting. I'll tell you that. Feels bad. We got very thick money flow here on the 15-minute time frame. This money flow is so thick, we are actually about to invalidate the money flow divergence that we put in 2 days ago. That is insane. This is insane. You're coming to see how my shorts are going. Yeah, man. This is so wild, guys. Should we hit a pump song? Y'all want a pump song right now? All right. Let's get a pump song. Crashing, hit a wall. All right, guys, listen. This is for all the people that are gig along and want it to go to all-time highs. This is one of the channel's theme songs. It's called Don't Let Me Down. Let's see what happens here, man. This is nutty. This is nutty. Guys, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go pee. But I'll be right back. This is crazy. This is crazy. Be right back. Hit the... Actually, you know what? Before we do that, how many people we got in here? Okay, we got 200 people in here, 85 likes. Guys, every 100 likes, I give away a boot camp. So if y'all want some free alpha, as they say, make sure to hit the like button. I'm going to put the volume up. I'm going to go take a pee. I'll be right back. But yeah, this is crazy. This is so wild, man. All right, I'll be right back.
Right
is, yeah. Open interest. Listen, open interest is on the rise while longs are coming in. This is a strong move right now. Let me check on more higher time frame. Yep. Guys, we got a strong move right now. We got a strong move up right now. Yeah. 100x long the top, don't lose. That's how it is, man. Crazy. I need ya right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. All right, man. Listen, y'all want BTC to pump. Let's see if we can hit this weekly order block. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. You'll be here when I need you the most. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. This is crazy. I don't even have any words, man. This is crazy. Nothing more, nothing less to say. Doggy is up, bruh. 12% in 5 minutes. This is insane. What if we do retrace? It looks like we have a stack of different time frame order blocks sitting at 54K. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. I think a nice retracement, like a nice spot to retrace to, would be I mean, my favorite long right now is 50K. But, I mean, yeah, 54, 55 seems like a good place. As good of a place as any. This is wild, man. This is so wild. This is getting bought up so okay, let's come on the 5-second time frame. Look at how fast this is just getting bought back up. Like, this is crazy. This is so crazy. This is nutty. I don't even have words. I have no words. I got 0 words. Negative words. Just so crazy. The thing is, I don't know how sustainable this is. Like, this is crazy. Jojo, it's going to be epic when they recover the green vector candle down. Yeah, I agree. Yo, it's not retracing. Yo, this is crazy, guys. You should be dancing. Yeah, yeah. Some of y'all think all-time high this week. All I can say is what the fuck. Yeah, bro. I don't even have words, man. When do I not have words? This is insane. We just took the high again. This is crazy, dude. This is so wild. Nutty, 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 nutty. Absolute nut job is Bitcoin right now. This is crazy. I don't like this song. Song sucks. It's only crazy because we broke the cycle. These percentages are not crazy for crypto. Yeah, yeah. I mean, man, a lot of it, bro. A lot of it is what, I think I should change the name. A lot of it makes this crazy. It's everything in once, you know? It's the percentages. It's the percentages. It's the breaking through macro levels. It's coming this high, this fast. It's the whole narrative change. No. This is not my first crypto bull run. But this is the first time for any of us that the cycle is broken. So, you know, now things are different. Things weren't necessarily different before. Now they definitely are. Right? Now they are. Things are different, guys. This time, and every time they say things are different and they're not. So I think it was a little bit safer to say that things weren't different. But now things are definitely different. We just tapped that 1 hour order block. This is insanity. This is insane. This is so crazy. Like, I have no words. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Why are these indicators not loading? This is crazy. This is insane, dude. We just tapped that weekly order block. This is crazy. Let's see what happens here. We got the money flow div. We got the momentum wave div into the order block. Let's see what happens here. That's on a 15-second only, though. Look at how this is crazy. This is so wild, man. This is insane. I have no words. I have 0 words for what's happening right now. 21% Dogecoin's up in like 20 minutes. This is so wild, man. Hey, listen, if we can get up to 63.6 and we get up there quick, I will look to scalp short it. This is insane. Yeah, bro, I think this is crazy. You know, it's crazy when Geo stops walking. Yeah, bro. I've been on the 5, 15, 30-second time frames along whatever since yesterday. Yeah, you need to watch the higher term time frames here for sure. This is insane. This is so crazy, dude. Look how thick the money is. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Anyways, I'm going to look to scalp short. If we can get up here really quick, 63.6, I will probably just try it. This is so, guys, I have no words. I literally have no words. I want to see us fast come up to here. Another 1%. This is crazy. Yo, what if we hit all-time high today? Like on stream. Every time I say this is insane, we take a... Yeah, man. This is wild, bro. This screams blow off top. I agree with that. I'm actually going to try to... I'm going to start building now. baby position. Baby. Like the smallest thing ever. I'm going to start building it now. Low leverage. I want to see if we can come up to 63.6. Wild, man. Wild. Wild. So crazy. This is a funny drinking game. Yo, what do I do? Bro, if you haven't taken profits, take profits. Not financial advice. I can't even, bro. I have no words. I got no words right now. I got no words. I want to see this. I want to see boom. Boom. Actually, it would probably take more. I want to see this. I'll tell you exactly what I want to see. I want to go boom. While this is on its way down, I want to see boom, not take the high, and then boom. That's what I want to see. This is crazy. Oh, no. That's a copyrighted song. They tried to snake me. They tried. Don't rush. Look back. Yeah, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. How many are we at right now? This is wild, bro. Okay, we are at 102 likes, guys. 884 people, 102 likes. So let's do it. Let's do our first giveaway. Here's what we're going to do, everybody. We're all going to go to this video. We're all going to go to yesterday's stream. And we are going to leave any comment you want. I don't care which comment. Leave any comment you want. But the comment has to have a rocket emoji, okay? Gio, you suck. Gio, we're going to all-time highs. Gio, you're the ugliest kid I've ever seen. Whatever you want to say, but it has to have a rocket emoji. And we are going to, we're going to get this thing going. Let's do this giveaway. This is crazy. I'm going to tweet it also. Just, this is crazy. I got nothing else. I got no words. Dogecoin up 22%. I have Dogecoin. So, works for moi. Absolute madness. Crazy. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Every little thing that you say or do, come on. So guys, go to that video. Make sure you like the video and leave any comment you want. And put a rocket emoji. Man, Dogecoin is still running. Let's see what happens here at this order block. This is crazy. Is it time to long? Yeah, man. Definitely. Let's see if we get this on the 1 minute. Let's see if I'll be Picasso here. Madness. Madness. Pepe's up. Oh my goodness. Let's check Phil for my guy here. Okay, Phil is actually looking a little bit weaker than the rest. Definitely starting. Okay, the thing with Phil coin. The thing with Phil coin is this guy made. So market structure on like 2 hour, 4 hour is up, down, took the high. Did we take the high? Yeah, we did. Up, down, up. And then we flipped bearish. So expectational order flow for a Phil coin would be lower high for then a lower low. So Phil is looking a little bit more weaker than everything else. Oh my gosh, we hit it. We hit the order. Oh my gosh, we hit it. We hit it. Wait, did we hit it? Why am I tripping? No, we didn't hit it. Oh, that was this thing. All right, listen, we're heading up. We're heading up. Let's see. I will look to short there. If I will look for a YOLO short there. This is wild. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire. You're coming with me. Oh my goodness. Look at all these people longing the top. 4.9 million, 1.5 million longing the top, longing the top. 5.3 million longing the top. This is crazy. What is... Oh my goodness. This is so crazy. I'm getting my finger so ready here. Man, we hit this. I'm doing it. We get up there really quick. I'm doing it. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire. Oh my goodness. Let's see. 0 sells on the top. 1.2 mil, 1 mil, 1.8 mil. People are longing the top, man. People got balls. I don't know how people do that. I really don't. ETH is ripping. BTC is ripping. Doggy is ripping. XRP is the only thing not ripping. Oh, let me be the baby girl. It's you and I. You know what's funny is yesterday in the VIP Discord, I called out a 15-minute order block that we hit, and we had a market structure flip into that order block from that order block. I did not think it was going to give us this move though. I'll tell you that. All right, 1.3 million, 9.7, 500,000, 1.4. Damn, 4.6 million. This is... You guys know what this is. You guys know what this is. Open interest is increasing. This is so wild. Absolute madness. Madness, guys. Madness. Mi vida, oh bella I have no words. Guys, I have 0 words. I have literally 0 words right now. I wish I had words, but I have 0 words. I have negative words right now. This is so crazy. Let's see what happens. This is wild. Guys, go. I'm going to do the giveaway now. Let's do the giveaway. Did we all go to that video? All right, we got 66 comments. Let's do our first giveaway. Wild, man. Wild. Absolute madness. All right, guys, listen. Hear me out. Y'all know the speech by now, okay? It was not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to figure out what the hell has been going on these days. And I'll tell you this. Oh, baby. This is crazy. Okay? This is absolute madness. Let me read let me read some of these comments. Right? Can I look at Doge? What are the targets for the short scalp? I mean, to be honest, if the short scalp hits, like anything that I can get, you got to take profits mad quick on these shorts. Shut up with the madness stuff, mate. Excuse you, mate. We're making bank today. Shouts out to Alex O Crypto. Guys, I got no words for it. If you don't like it, mute it or leave. I'm like at a loss for words. I have nothing else to say. I got nothing else to say. Yeah, man. Bitcoin was hella pouring about a week ago. You know what's crazy is on Monday, I'm like, yo, start expecting some volatility. Like that was the title of, and then before the stream, like I made the stream and the thumbnail, whatever, at like, I don't even know, 8:30 in the morning. I went on live at 9:45 or 10. And by the time it was 9:40, like that hour was already crazy price action. Like we already had crazy movement in that time. So, things like this was quick, man. This was quick. Like this is the kind of price action where we're at, wherever the high is, like we can get a, you know, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 fast move down fast. Like this is the type of behavior is here. So let's see what happens. The best thing that we could do at this point is follow structure because the divs ain't divin. We already know that. We already know the divs ain't divin. So anyway, let's do this giveaway. We're going to go ahead and do this giveaway. Guys, the winner of the bootcamp giveaway is... boom! Psycho Techie 5207. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of the giveaway. All you got to do is head over to this the live stream that you had to go to. Click on your username here on the top right. Take a screenshot. Make sure that we can see that you liked it. And open up a ticket in the Discord. Let them know which one you want. Let them know which one you want. All right, guys. Sorry, I was super focused there. I shorted it. I shorted that. And I took 50% out. And I had to be focused there. And my stop is at the entry. So I'm chilling. Quick scalp. Very quick scalp trade. Right there. Very quick scalp. This is... I have no words, man. I have no words. And it's hard because I have my Mexi open, but then when I have Mexi open, I don't have the exchange. Like, I can't see your guys' comments. I can't see your comments, but I'll explain why I shorted here in just a second. Can you say you won't believe in... All right, I'm out. I'm out of the short. Quick scalp there. Dang. All right, let's see. I want to touch this daily vector candle, man. I will short it. I'm telling you, I will short it. If I see what I want to see here. This is... I can't even check the chat, man. My thing is so laggy. MEXC is so laggy. I got like 3 different MEXCs open right now. Oof, 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 oof. Daily vector candle. We're about to hit it. We are about to hit it. Let's see what we see here on the 15-second. I like entering on the 15-second. Okay, we got money flow diverging, momentum wave diverging. This could be a nice top right now. We got bearish CVD right now. Locally, very local, very local. Very, very local. Let's see. Oh, 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 oh. All right, let's see. We hit it. We hit it. This is... Woo! Woo! All right, little gamble short trade. Stop is above this high. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It's fine. Little gamble short trade right now. Let me actually put the stop in. 63741. It's going to hit it. I'm going to get stopped out. 63741. 63741. Maybe it won't get hit. Risky, risky. Don't do what I do. Risky AF. Yeah, I just got stopped out. Okay. Woo! This is... I need to buy some more monitors. I have, bro. I have an ultra wide. I have 3 monitors right now. Now I got stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. It's okay. That's the game. This is so blow off top behavior. It's not even funny. I have nothing to say. Bitcoin is moving over $100 every tick. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see how laggy this thing is. Like, this is so laggy. Damn, man. What's XRP doing? Nothing. XRP is doing absolutely nothing. I have no comment. I got no comment. Guys, we might take the high today. We might go all-time high today. At this rate, we might literally go all-time high today. I don't think so, but we might. This is freaking so crazy. Okay, somebody mentioned the 886. Let's see where the 886 is. Honest to God, we might come and take the all-time high today. Oh, we're way past the 886, my boy. We are way, way, way past the 886 here. Let's see how open interest. Open interest is still on the rise. No, it's starting to drop a little bit. Nutty, 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 nutty. This is 64. Whoop. Jabs, you gonna add to the long if we break 69? Yeah, TA. No, the TA is not TAing. I'll tell you that. Weekly at 65.5. through it and it makes you feel. I'll tell you why we might not, bro, because a lot of people will take profit at the all-time high. A lot of people will a lot of people will take profits, and they don't want you to take profits. Remember, retail is greedy. Guys, I need you to understand this. No matter what's happening right now, this isn't like, I'm not going to say it's an artificial move, but it's 100% unsustainable. It is so unsustainable, it's not even funny, okay? Like, it is so unsustainable. Whether you like it or not, whether you want to hear me say it or not, it's unsustainable, okay? And so, with that in mind, you need to remember that the reason that the business model even works, okay? Remember, when you are longing, who's shorting against you? It's the market maker. When you are shorting, who's longing against you? It's the market maker, okay? So the game is run by market makers, and they're against you. It's not me versus you. It's not you versus you. It's you versus the market maker, me versus the market maker. When you are longing this whole way up, market maker is shorting this whole way up against you. And these vector candles on the daily time frame are indicative of that, okay? So all these vectors to the upside, market maker shorting. This, whether you like it or not, whether you want to hear it or not, whether it's a bull market or not, eventually is going to come down. These vector candles are going to get recovered. It is unsustainable. Now, the question is, when are they going to get recovered? Because that's the hard part. We don't know when they're going to get recovered, but we know that they're going to get recovered. Probably, very likely, okay? Obviously, nothing is for sure in trading, but it is very probable that these vector candles are going to get recovered. And this is as good of a place as any to start ranging, okay, and then potentially come back and grab their liquidity. But market makers are limit shorting, while you, retail, are market longing. And so what's happening right now is, guys, there's no doubt this is euphoria, okay? Whether or not it's new money or old money, even if it's the old money, even if it's everybody in the pre-bull market, then it's the old traders, it's the old players that have the euphoria. Remember, us in the old cycle, not many people bought at don't get me wrong, people bought at the all-time high. But the people that have been around, they're in the green right now on their spot positions, okay? Now, the difference, the reason I'm saying I don't think we're going to come and take the all-time high, and I could be wrong, guys, we could be at the all-time high here in 20 seconds, okay? Anything is possible, as you can clearly see. But what I'm trying to get at here is, no matter, I don't believe that they're going to come for the all-time high. And just to answer this comment, why wouldn't we come to the all-time high? I don't believe that they're going to come to the all-time high because a lot of people are going to, are going to take profit at the all-time high. The people that were in and they were out for the last three, whatever, they were in at the top for the last 3 years will try to get out. And the people that have already been DCAing or whatever will try to get out. And the dumb money right now is suggesting that, not suggesting, anybody with a brain would take profit at the high. We've been too much in an unsustainable move for us to, in my opinion, just allow for retail to close their positions at the highs. That's my opinion. Gio, you say that every single pump for the past few weeks, LeMayo. I absolutely have charged and nothing's changed. Just because we kept pumping doesn't mean that this was unsustainable. Doesn't mean that this isn't unsustainable. Like, let's be objective here. Doesn't mean that I won't long, and it doesn't mean that I won't short. It just means that it's unsustainable. Guys, remember, it's important as a trader to live in, you got to be objective. You have to live in reality, okay? We're not liberals. I'm not anyway. Don't, be delusional. It's unsustainable. Eventually, they're going to come for their money. And remember, making money is easy. Keeping money is hard. Everything's laggy. TradingView super laggy. Yeah, everything is super, super laggy. Jay just itching to try and catch the top so he can finally go live. Is he live right now? Market makers will come for their money. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, they will. We cannot go down. Stop putting, dude. Anyone in chat here? The last time BTC was in this price range, I was. I truly think that this is the point of reversal. You know what? I do too, bro. And listen, Charged. You're saying, oh, every time I say that, well, we were in macro resistance here. We were in macro resistance here. So you just play it based on macro resistance. This guy's funny. We cannot go below 60K ever again. Yeah, never again, ever. And you want me. Annie, do you want me? Do you want me, Annie? Annie, do you want me? Annie, do you want me? Annie, do you want me? Anyways, I shorted, guys. I did short. Again. And I will keep trying to short it. I take profit early. I put my stop at the entry. If I get stopped out, then I do it again. And this is how, and then we trade the range. Whatever happens with the range, we're going to trade the range. We're going to follow the structure. That's the name of the game. Let's see what happens. Because I'm aware that it's at these levels where we could have minus $5,000 candles. Just like we've had plus $5,000 candles, okay? Don't be delusional. Top is in 64K. Just closed long. Congratulations, site. That's amazing, bro. That could have been it, man. That could have been it, guys. Could have been the high right there. The divs are there. You shorted 64212. Let me see what my entry is. I don't even know. My entry is... Oh, wow. Amazing, bro. My entry is basically 64. 63932 is my entry. So you did way better than me, bro. Congrats. Come on, 30K. Gio promised it ages ago. Shouts out to Phil, man. I don't know, bro. This is the one because you didn't get short. Jet, you said that yesterday, bro. 3 green vectors. 3 green vectors, 3 pushes to the high. Bro, you changed my view on how to look at the charts. Yeah, man. Retail's looking at this like it's so bullish. Guys, we got 3 hits to the high. 3 vectors. Right into macro resistance. I don't think we're going to take the all-time high. Not in this push up. I've been wrong. I thought we were going to come back and take this liquidity. We didn't. I thought this drop was going to happen, which it did. But I thought we were going to come down a little bit lower, which we didn't. I thought this red dot was going to produce us another lower low, which we didn't. Realistically, where do I think we can correct to? Okay, realistically, I think that we can easily come back to 51. Easily, I think we can come back to 51. I like the idea of coming to like 47. 47 has been historical very strong support and resistance. I like the idea of coming to 47. I think it would make sense to come back to 47 and the bull market begins at 40. Not begins. The bull market could be here, but you know. Okay, so look what's happening right now. Look what's happening right now. My short right now, Deepa, is great. I don't know if that's a joke, but it's great. This short that I just took up here is amazing. Yeah, bro, everything is lagging right now. Literally everything. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. Like, this is literally what I'm talking about. This. You know, you can easily... This is the time where you can have minus 2% candles. Right? Like, this is the time. Euphoria's in, guys. Shouts out to Deepa. Doesn't understand that we need to take the data that's given to us and adjust our mindset. And I'll tell you this, Deepa. You were absolutely correct that the bull market is here, but you didn't know that you were right until now. What about the shorts at 51K? They were closed in profit. Perfect short. It just hit Crypto Face's spider line. I see what happens here. Yeah, those shorts also were closed in profit. $145% on that short. Yeah, that was a nice short right there. We're chilling. We're chilling right now. Very nice short right there that we just took. I'm levitating. Raj says top is in. I'm levitating. I think this was either the peak or we will hit 3,500 precisely and dump from there. You mean on ETH? Well, listen, ETH actually tapped this order block perfectly as well. So let's see what happens, man. We hit the order blocks. We hit them. Made of this. Who am I to disappear? Looking for something. Guys, everything is lagging right now. Literally everything. I can't even... Like, I can't even do anything right now. I literally can't do anything. I can't, like... Everything is lagging. Oof. Everything is lagging. Sweet dreams are made of this. Mine to disappear. Just insane, man. Just insane. Just insane. Okay, guys, listen. My thing is lagging so badly. So bad. I'm lagging here. I don't even know if you guys can see me. I don't even know what's going on here. I can't even see anything. It's lagging so bad. Looking for something. All right, guys, listen. I don't even know if you guys can see me. My thing is like frozen everywhere. So I'm going to try to end the stream because literally everything is frozen. This is crazy. I'll keep y'all updated. I don't even know if you can see me. Literally everything is frozen for me. Everything is frozen. So I'm just going to hold the power button on my on my stream here. Because I don't know what's happening, dude. Everything is frozen. Literally everything is frozen. Today is crazy though. Today is madness. Today's madness. Guys, I'll see you guys later in the Discord. Everything is frozen for me. I got 3 Mexies open. Everything's frozen. I'll catch you guys.